My dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. So in previous class we have studied about the reduction of carbonyl compounds. That means aldehydes on reduction gives primary alcohol, and ketones on reduction gives secondary alcohols, and carboxylic acids also on reduction gives what beta? Primary alcohol. So from that topic here I am going to give you some objective questions. Okay, now right, question number 1. CH3 bond CH, double bond CH bonded to COOH. It upon reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives what is the product? Okay beta, and yesterday I told you lithium aluminum hydride, it reduces only the functional group, but it cannot reduce the double bond. Double bond will be remains as it is. So answer is CH3 bond CH, double bond CH bonded to. And carboxylic acids on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride changes into primary alcohol, means COOH changes into CH2OH. We are getting here what beta? Primary alcohol. Means here we have to be add how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogens को add किए तो बस हो जाते ना. Right. So this is nothing but yesterday I told you LEAH, it can reduces the epoxides also, nothing but cyclic ethers, ROR, cyclic form nana. So epoxides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, in that case ring opening takes place at less crowding site. So this is more crowding side and this is less crowding side. Less crowding side is more reactive. So यहाँ पर अपन bond open करना पड़ेगा. Right. So next what we are going to get the product nana? CH3 bonded to CH. Here O his central carbon connected to what? No, O, and to that oxygen we are going to be add one hydrogen because of we are doing reduction. And यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा? CH2. To that CH2 also I am giving one more hydrogen because of we are doing what na? Reduction. Here we are getting which alcohol beta? Secondary alcohol. So from epoxides we can prepare primary alcohol and secondary alcohols also on reduction with LEAH. So simple epoxide gives primary alcohol, like that substituted epoxides they can give what na? Secondary alcohols also. Anyway, so epoxides on reduction gives alcohols. Right. This is nothing but acid halide. Yesterday I told you acid halides on reduction with LEAH gives again primary alcohol. Yes, यहाँ पर bond break कीजिए बेटा. And CH3C double bond वो changes into CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH2. And remaining one more hydrogen we have to be provide to Cl, and that going to be removed in the form of HCl. Again same thing, acid halides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives the product is nothing but what beta? Primary alcohol. Is here also we have to be provide the 4 hydrogen. Next, yeah, this is a very important question nana. बहुत ही important question है. This is important for only objective point of view. So here I have given one bulky structure. One side keto group is there. One more side ester group is there. In a single compound 2 functional groups are there nana. So it reduced by LEAH and it can be reduced by sodium borohydride. You have to be find X and Y, both the products you have to be find. Very important. Right. Sodium borohydride, yesterday I told you, it is a selective reducing agent. It reduces only aldehyde, ketone and acid halide, but cannot reduce the ester. Esters cannot be reduced by NaBH4. NaBH4 can reduce only the group. This is nothing but keto group, and ketones on reduction gives secondary alcohol. एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर ऐड करना और एक हाइड्रोजन given to the O become OH and double bond becomes single bond. Let us reduction with sodium borohydride. Same cyclohexane ring. Right side ester group is there as it is. Because of ester group cannot be reduced by NaBH4. It is a selective reducing agent. Cannot reduces the ester. Only reduces the keto group. Ketones on reduction gives a secondary alcohol. So यहाँ पर OH लिखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर एक हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पर एक हाइड्रोजन. Means we have to be provide the 2 hydrogen. OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to 2 carbon. This is nothing but secondary alcoholic product. Right now. So on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it is the most powerful reducing acid. It can reduce at a time keto group and ester group nana. Right. Keto group on reduction gives same thing, secondary alcohol. Okay beta. And esters on reduction gives, in previous class we have studied esters on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives a mixture of 2 primary alcohols, bond breaking here. So CH2C double bond O changes into CH2. Again C double bond O changes into CH2. Above double bond becomes single bond and O become OH2. Remaining group is C2H5O. It also takes one hydrogen. Again that is nothing but what nana? C2H5OH. So here we are getting two products. In case of lithium aluminum hydride, this is nothing but mixture of primary alcohols. So on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, we are getting mixture of alcohol, means keto group bhi reduction ho gaya, and ester on reduction gives mixture of alcohols, but NaBH4 reduces only the keto group into the secondary alcoholic form. Okay, right. So I hope maybe all the preparations of alcohols over as per our syllabus, Nana. But objective point of view, I want to say two more preparations of alcohols. One is nothing but objective preparations of alcohols. Number one, from aliphatic primary amine formula NH2. Primary amine formula, aliphatic primary amine formula, this is nothing but RNH2. RNH2, aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine on reaction with nitrous acid. I am not saying nitric, nitrous. Aliphatic primary amines or NH2 on reaction with nitrous acid HNO2. In between these two reaction taking place at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, and here we are getting the same product, alcohol, ROH. Here also we are getting primary alcohol. So primary aliphatic amines, here benzene ring I am not taking, Nana, only R group, Nana, methyl, ethyl, like that. So methylamine gives methyl alcohol and ethylamine gives ethyl alcohol, like that. Examples I have given in notes also. Right. Aliphatic primary amines on reaction with nitrous acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, it gives what? Primary alcohol. यहाँ पर एक nitrogen, यहाँ पर एक nitrogen. Two N atoms are there that we will get in the form of nitrogen gas. Very important. And remaining H and OH are there, so we will get the water molecule also here. So aliphatic primary amines on reaction with nitrous acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius gives alcohols and nitrogen gas and water molecule. Right. Next objective point of view, one more important reaction is there, Nana. That is nothing but oxo process. What is oxo process? Oxo process, one more name is hydroformylation reaction. Hydroformylation. Why we are saying hydroformylation? I will tell you. Right. Oxo process, this process we have to be applied for alkenes. So unsymmetrical alkene, example is nothing but propane. CH3 bond CH, double bond CH2. This is propane, unsymmetrical alkene. Alkenes on reaction with water gas mixture, or we can say on reaction with a mixture of H2 plus CO, carbon monoxide and H2. This is nothing but water gas, you know very well. Anyway, so alkene or propane on reaction with a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide in presence of a catalyst, cobalt carbonyl hydride, CO, cobalt, capital C, capital O, carbon monoxide, cobalt carbonyl hydride. It can be act as what? A catalyst in oxo process. So in presence of this catalyst, alkenes on reaction with mixture of H2 and CO, first of all they are going to form the intermediate product. This is nothing but aldehyde. So how we are getting that aldehyde? First of all, reaction will be take place between H2 and CO. So here we are getting H bonded to CO. Upon mixing of these two, we are getting H bonded to CO. This is hydrogen and this is okay, a CHO group looking like formaldehyde. So addition of hydrogen, addition of CHO group, this is called hydroformylation. Right. So H is given to central carbon, CH becomes CH2. Again already here CH2 is there. H given to central carbon, CH becomes CH2 and CHO group attacks upon CH2. CHO group attacks upon CH2. Yes, this is your intermediate aldehyde, Nana. Now that aldehydes undergo reduction. Now that aldehydic product upon reduction with zinc copper metal in presence of ethyl alcohol, it can be act as reducing agent for the reduction of aldehydes. Right. So you know very well, CH3, CH2, CH2. I have written as it is. Aldehyde group is there. We are doing reduction. Aldehydes and reduction gives what is the product? Primary alcohol. So that's why we are providing two hydrogen. One is given to CH, CH becomes CH2. One more is given to O, O become OH2. Means we are getting CH2OH. We are getting primary alcohol. Straight chain primary alcohols are the major products in oxo process. I hope you understand. Statement. Alkanes on reaction with a mixture of hydrogen, H2 and CO in presence of a catalyst gives what? Aldehyde, which upon reduction in presence of zinc, copper and ethanol, it will give what? Primary straight chain alcohols. They are the major products in oxo process. I hope you understand why we are saying hydroformylation. Because of it, दो mix it we are getting HCHO, hydroformylation. Attacking will be takes place upon alkene. That's why oxo process is called hydroformylation. Right, beta. Okay, story was clear. two objective preparations also we have studied here. Next one is, I want to say that very important. So in among all alcohols, two alcohols they have to be say that they are commercially important alcohols. Business point of view सारे industries में अपन वही use करते हैं. Commercially important alcohols. Two examples. One is methanol CH3OH. One more is ethanol C2H5OH. Today we are going to be finished about the commercially important alcohols. में topic one is nothing but methanol or methyl alcohol. In tomorrow's class we are going to be discuss about the ethyl alcohol. Okay, methanol. One more name is nothing but carbinol. Already I told you, one carbon alcohol, and that is also known as wood spirit. Why methanol is known as wood spirit, I will tell you later, Nana. Right. Methanol is a colorless liquid. It does not contain any color. So liquid means definitely it contains certain boiling points. The boiling point of methanol or methyl alcohol 337 Kelvin. But remember, Nana, methanol or carbinol, it contains poisonous nature. It is highly poisonous in nature. Right, Nana. So why methanol is known as wood spirit? Reason इधर देखिए. First of all, here I am going to consider wood. Wood upon destructive distillation. Wood upon destructive distillation. Here it going to produce the product that is nothing but what? Methanol. So methanol was obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. That's why here we are saying methanol is known as what? Beta? Wood spirit. Right. Yes, so two important questions here I want to say. Very important from the methanol topic. Question is, give the manufacture of methanol from water gas. This is important for theory cum objective. One more question. Give the manufacture of methanol from natural gas, means from methane. It is only for objective point of view. Let us go for theory cum objective. Preparation of methanol or methyl alcohol from the water gas. Shall we start? Right. Water gas. What is the formula of water gas? The formula of water gas is CO, carbon monoxide, plus H2. So this is the mixture of what, beta? Water gas. Water gas on mixing with hydrogen. Water gas on mixing with hydrogen. So water gas is mixed with hydrogen gas. Water gas upon mixing with H2 and followed by passing over the suitable catalyst. There is nothing but zinc oxide plus chromic oxide. Very important. It was repeated in NEET exam. So what is the catalyst used in manufacture of methanol from water gas? Zinc oxide plus chromic oxide. This mixture here we are using ZnO plus Cr2O3, and here reaction will be takes place at 573 Kelvin to 673 Kelvin. And for this reaction we require suitable pressure also. Optimum pressure is nothing but 200 to 300 atmosphere. In presence of these three suitable conditions, water gas on mixing with hydrogen and followed by passing over the mixture of ZnO plus Cr2O3, it gives a product is nothing but methanol, or we can say that methyl alcohol. Automatically balancing goes to be over. If you want you can check, Nana. Let us see. One carbon, okay. Now पर two hydrogen, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Everything is okay. So statement. Water gas is mixed with hydrogen and passed over the mixture of ZnO plus Cr2O3, which will be act as catalyst. So in presence of this catalyst, here we are getting the product is nothing but what, beta? Methanol. Let us go for objective preparation. Manufacture of methanol from natural gas. In natural gas, what is the major component? Methane. So let us go for methane. Yes, here I am going to be consider methane. So methane formula is nothing but CH4. It is the major component in what, beta? Natural gas. So methane upon oxidation, here we required only one oxygen. So methane upon oxidation takes place in presence of copper or iron, where the temperature suitable is 573 Kelvin and suitable pressure is just 100 atmosphere. So in presence of the suitable conditions, methane on oxidation gives methyl alcohol. What is the formula of methyl alcohol? CH3 bonded to OH2. One carbon balancing, 4 hydrogen. Okay, beta. यहाँ पर one oxygen atom. That's why here I have written of O2, means one oxygen atom. So methane on oxidation in presence of Cu or Fe catalyst at 573 Kelvin and 100 atmosphere gives what is the product, beta? Methanol. And last and final conclusion is uses of methanol. Uses of methanol. This is for theory run. Is methanol mainly it used as a solvent in the preparation of, in the manufacture of paints and varnishes, and also it can be used as antifreeze antifreeze in automobiles beta. Next, and also by using methanol we can prepare formaldehyde. Methanol, primary alcohol with one carbon, methanol. On oxidation gives one carbon aldehyde. This is formaldehyde. So methanol, by using methanol we can manufacture formaldehyde dyes, means colors, and by using this we can prepare medicines also, and also we can useful in making perfumes also. Last and final use of methanol or methyl alcohol is very important. What is mean by denatured spirit? Denatured spirit. So denatured spirit का meaning क्या हो सकता है? Before that, denatured spirit, it is completely unfit for drinking purposes. So drinking purpose को काम नहीं आएगा because of. So denatured spirit is unfit for drinking purposes because of, yes, actually spirit का meaning ethyl alcohol. This is called wine spirit. So 95% of ethyl alcohol, 95% of ethyl alcohol, nothing but wine spirit, or we can say industrial alcohol, or we can say rectified spirit. To this 95% of ethyl alcohol, here we are adding 5% of methanol. 5% of methanol. Yes, and also we are adding copper sulfate particles or solution, and also we are using some pyridine liquid drops. Right now, why we are adding pyridine? Because of pyridine gives a very dangerous smell, that is called foul smell. Due to that smell only, is automatically we can avoid that. It is not fit for what, Nana? Drinking purposes. Why we are adding copper sulfate? To give the blue color of the solution. And so why we are adding CH3OH? Actually ethyl alcohol is fit for drinking purpose, but after addition of methanol, automatically that alcohol will be completely unfit for what, Nana? Drinking purpose, because of methyl alcohol nature is nothing but, already I told you, very poisonous. So due to its poisonous nature, after addition of methanol, ethyl alcohol will be unfit for drinking purposes. Such entire mixture is known as denatured spirit, which is unfit for drinking purposes. Main reason is due to addition of methanol. Because of methanol on oxidation gives methanol, means formaldehyde. Again that formaldehyde on oxidation gives formic acid. It was very dangerous, that going to be damages the, okay na, is what, Nana, is that leads to the death also. Be careful, very important. So that's why we have to be say that denatured spirit is very dangerous. Due to addition of methyl alcohol only, its nature is poisonous nature. Yes, in next class we are going to be discuss the commercial importance of alcohols, means second alcohol, that is nothing but ethanol, preparations and properties. Okay, I mean molasses method we will discuss tomorrow better. I hope you understand.